might be a hoe. Swear, swear, just might be a hoe.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Slay Like Lily back again with another YouTube video. So today is going to be the start of my living alone vlog. This is going to comprise of 3 days or more than 4 days with me. Hopefully I can make it to the whole week. If I don't, then it's okay. So right now I just finished walking my dog, and now I'm going to go home and I need to catch up on editing. Yo, I am so tired of editing and I've been slacking a bit. So I'm going to catch up. But I love making thumbnails. That's the thing. But I don't really like the video editing part. But yes, I need to catch up editing. I need to do my monthly goal setting, and I'm going to set my goals with y'all. So yes, come with me. Okay, so I'm finally back home. So I'm going to get into editing. But before I get into editing, or while I'm editing, I'm just going to be talking to y'all about a few things that have crossed my mind, because I don't think I'm going to be talking much in this video. I want it to be like montagey, like clips and clips, but I don't think I'll be talking much. So yo, I have a posting schedule. If y'all don't know, it's Monday, Thursday, and Friday. So y'all should tune into my channel on those days. And yo, I've been wanting to start a podcast, but I don't really know like who would want to be on my podcast for an episode of my podcast. If you do want to be on it, let me know, because I definitely want to start a podcast and just see how things go, because I love doing like podcasts. I like doing interviews. I like asking people questions, and I think it would just really be cute and a new addition to my channel. I've done a podcast before, but that was like a long time ago, so I want to bring that back up. So let me know what y'all people think. So another thing, I want to give y'all tips on staying consistent, because I know a lot of people struggle with consistency and everything. So what I do for staying consistent is I get a book or a paper or anything, to be honest, and I write down the content I want to do. Like I literally like plan out exactly and everything I want to do. Like I know what my thumbnail looks like before I even start the video. And that's what y'all need to do. Y'all need to plan out all your content, get everything planned out, sorted out, and know what you're going to do in each part. And also you all need to post before the time. That helps staying consistent too. So yeah, I think those are the tips. I'm going to finish up editing, and then I'm going to, see y'all in the next clips.
This one I bet you me, I no get time, da cover my face, calling me da. Big man wait to what's it going? G-Wagon, all depend. They get them, ride the whip. I know people die for nothing. What's it going? G-Wagon, all depend. They get them, ride the whip. I know people die for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do, they must commend it. So anything when they do, they try to do plenty survive with face, just to make your money. But my people then go say I don't want buy, I don't want die, I don't want payment, I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. Let me tell you, what's it going? G-Wagon, all the Bentley, they get them, ride the whip, I know people die for nothing. What's it going? G-Wagon, all the Bentley, they get them, ride the whip, I know people Different things then happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night, 4 shows, I'm juggling. Flow like the ocean, my port, I'm paddling. Sharashina Bella, that's my bro, my family. Frozen dreams. When it comes to money, I they concentrate. Look at tell you straight, you are not my mate. If you become a shop, now be head of state. But my people then go say, I don't want buy, I don't want die, I don't want payment, I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want turn up. What's it gonna be? G-Wagon, all depending, the girl them, ride the whip, I love it, die for nothing. What's it gonna be? G-Wagon, all depending, the girl them, ride the whip, I love it, die for nothing. Yeah.